guys, it's Taya and
Layla.
and today we're going to be showing you one way with 2 ingredients how to make slime. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you will be needing is under my bed, in my slime box. There's all my slimes in. I can't get it out. Open, I mean. Let me take it out. Right. What colour do you want? Orange?
Can I have yellow?
Yellow. No, not yellow.
Fine,
Oh,
orange.
there you go.
Yellow.
I'll have this really nice green now. So what you'll be needing is like play foam or just this thing. I'll show you now. Just
Tiny
this stuff, like putty slime
disgusting thing.
stuff.
This is only a little bit
So yeah,
for you.
you'll be needing that, which is not slime, trust me.
Yeah.
And you will be needing a really good slime that you have.
You can have if you have crunchy slime. I wouldn't use 2 crunchy slimes.
No,
That would not work. It would just change colour.
So what you're going to be needing is you're going to need some of the slime. So first, you're going to take out some of your normal slime and add it to your play foam, which is what I'm doing. You move this.
This is already.
This. You just need to. If it goes messy, you just need to mix it in. Don't worry, you're not wrecking your slime. Well, putty.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, like play foam and stuff. It's not wrecking it. You're making it go.
Even though
It's a
you
beautiful
look. This
slime.
is my sister, and it's gonna be her fault actually, because she's the one who told me to be in the video and do it. I wanted to. She only doesn't. Oh, it's going better. See, guys. It's not gonna.
So you're just gonna keep on adding some of
I'm not
that.
adding too much this time. I had loads that other time. I'm just striping up these two.
Gonna keep on mixing it in until it goes really soft like slime. At the end, we're gonna be showing you the ones we've made like that. So yeah.
And then you'll see this one that's right by me that I was just clicking just now. Overflowing. Look.
Just gonna get a little bit more.
Look. Overflowing.
So it is working.
This is the one that we tried. It's overflowing.
Mine is working. Now. Is yours working?
Yeah.
Mine is.
It's really hard first of all.
I know. You can see that mine's coming stretchier and stuff.
Maybe when
Just gonna do the poop test.
Oh, I hate doing the poop test.
Well, it works.
Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Don't do that. It's gonna break. It's gonna get a bit more. And just massage it in. Massage it in. It's gonna make a hole like this.
Do you mean just mixing it in, not massaging it in? She does not know a word.
And you can see that it comes together if you massage it in. I feel that. Oh, it's harder than mine. Mine's really soft.
Oh, I don't get the disgusting hands again.
It's like. Don't. I really like this so far.
Yeah, mine's really actually getting it. You would not want to see this real. Oh, it looks disgusting now.
Yeah, it's not quite slimy yet. So I'm just gonna
Can I get
keep
yours?
on adding it.
In mine.
No.
It's really soft.
Just keep on adding slime, Layla. Wait, where should we put it?
We can put it there so it's in
No, it's in the
the way.
middle of it though. Just Kit Kat wrapper, stick to it. I'll put it behind this way.
Okay, we can just
But like move it the way so it kind of There we go. Here.
If you're wondering,
They can see it now.
Our bedroom looks a mess. It's just, we left it there from earlier. We're going to do it soon. We have a big party later.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be big anyway.
It's really cool.
Not overflowing yet.
Can we give a shout out to Imogen, Lillian and Jessica, please? Imogen Morgan, Lillian Reid and Jessica
Davis. It's just sticking up.
It's really coming together really nicely. Mine's coming like real
This is
slime.
disgusting slime. It doesn't feel disgusting, but it looks disgusting. Doesn't it? Oh, that looks disgusting. My dad's in a mood. Daddy's actually not coming. Mommy is.
I know.
Daddy's staying. Oh, poor dad.
I know. Daddy's not coming to the party. He just doesn't feel like going this way.
Well, he's been stuck in work for like
3 weeks.
3 weeks or 7 weeks.
3.
3, yeah. And
He came home yesterday.
Because his car broke all the way down.
So
He
he
was
came
going down
home.
and his car broke. So they couldn't fix it that much. So then our grandpa went all the way up there.
In Cumbria, in
Cumbria.
England.
And he didn't even sleep all night and he wasn't even tired.
He started at half 9.
In the morning.
No, 9:30 in the night. And then
Oh, yeah.
he got to Dad's at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then he came here to drop him home at
And he
9 o'clock in the morning. So
And he didn't eat, and he wasn't
sleep.
even tired, and he didn't even go sleep.
So
I don't know how that
this is how we make a slime.
Here,
Mine
good.
is ready.
tiny.
I know. So mine is ready. Yeah, it is. Perfect. It is. I promise.
What I mean, like it hasn't
So-
skin out.
Where's the
I know.
lid for this?
For that one, do you have?
Yeah, big one.
Well, not for that one's there, but oh yeah, behind me.
So I'm just gonna put the lid back on there, and that's how you make the slime.
Yeah.
One last time, shout out to Imogen,
Davis, Imogen Morgan,
Lillian Reid, and Jessica Davis. Thank you. Subscribe, comment down below. What was your favourite slime in the
Probably that
video?
one. Probably that one.
Mine or
Look how
Layla's.
disgusting this looks. Before you leave, I think you're gonna
Mine
look for that. I don't care who you pick, but sometimes she is a little bit. I don't know why.
An 8, not a baby.
No, when you cry like a baby. Well, I just don't give you.
So yeah,
sign.
subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Shout out to Imogen Morgan, Jessica Davis, and Lillian Reid.